after 6 days. I will see you guys soon. Hello everyone, welcome back to my new and another short vlog. So right now it's snowing in New York City after like 6 to 7 months. If you are new, please like, share, subscribe my vlog. And the snow is not too much heavy right now. You can see it's very little in the lights, but in like a few minutes maybe it will be heavy snow, because they have already put the salt on the streets and the footpaths. You can see the snow. Right now I'm going to the Jackson Heights, so let's go and take the train. And it's already like 6:45, so let's see. It's a weekend also, and I forgot to take the metro card too. You can see there is too many salt on the stairs. And by the way, I don't have the metro card, so I have to tap the bank card. And let's tap the card. I will see you guys soon. So we have just missed the train, and 7 minutes it's saying us to wait for our train, because it's weekend, and there is no M train in the weekends, Saturday, Sunday. So we have to wait like 8 to 7 minutes for the M train, our train. Let's see what time will be the trains comes, because it's the delayed, and they should not do the M train cancel this time, because many people are waiting for the trains to go for the city like Manhattan, Brooklyn. And you can see behind, people are waiting for the train, and they are doing some construction for the subway station. I'll see you guys in few minutes. Okay, right now it's almost 8:45 p.m. and we have already done the groceries, and let's go back to home. And it's almost now 9 p.m. and I just take the tea from the Italy. It's too cold, that's why, to just get warm little bit. And I will see you at the end of the video. Everything is getting closed now. Uber is coming in 2 minutes. I'll see you guys in the car. We are having too many carry bags, and that's why I didn't record the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the total cost was, I think, maybe 150 or $142. And in 2025 the price has been grown up for the groceries. America is becoming the most expensive world in the United States now. And if you like to come America, then you have to struggle the most, and the expensive thing to buy in the grocery stores. And this is the struggling life in America. Let's end this video here. Hope you guys like the video. And I didn't came from the train because we have so many carry bags and the groceries, so we came from the Uber. And I was gone back to like Forest Hill, and then I take the E train and came from the E train to the Jackson Heights. Hope you like the video, and it's a weekend, so please make sure you check the train, that M train is working or not. Then you guys can go outside. Hope and let's end this video here. Take care, bye bye. And right now it's 7:15 a.m. in the morning in New York City. You can see it's 7:15 almost, and it's finally snowing in New York. and you can believe that after 6 to 7 months snow is finally back. I'm not opening the window because it's very cold. You can see that trees are white with the snow, but it's not too much, like 5 to 6 inches. It's only like 1 to 4 inches maybe, or maybe 1 to 2 inches, because it's December, guys, and like not in January maybe it could be like 4 inches, 5 inches, because in Pennsylvania there are many snow has been done, but on New York no snow has been comes like before December. I mean before January, February, but yeah, the Christian having this Christmas soon, 31st on December. So maybe for them they have the most beautiful snow in before Christmas. This looks very beautiful, guys. It has been snowing all night. You can see it's still snowing. I know the window is not clean, but it was been still snowing like at 4 a.m., 11 p.m. like that. It's looking so beautiful.